languages.
So parang the brains.
She's a spy.
Spy?
Yeah,
Oh?
she's a spy of the group. Yes.
Ooh, okay.
Well, yeah, yun ang masasabi ko pa ngayon. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maris. Okay, next we have Baron.
Yeah, hello. Pumyo. Pangalan niya is Miguel Texon. Ang dami niyang skills set and ang laking tulong niya doon sa grupo kasi isa po siyang napakagaling na sniper. Isa rin po ako sa medic, doktor ng team. And isa rin po akong alcoholic. Recovering alcoholic. I think natutuwa po ako kay na hindi lang pagdabol sa war, pati na rin yung pagdabol sa mental health and awareness na what addiction and and kung ano bang.
So aside from the action, meron pang ibang mapupulot ang ating mga kapamilya pag nanood sila ng Incognito.
That's exactly right.
Okay, now let's go to Ian Veneracion.
Ako naman po, ang character ko dito, ako yung pinakabunso. So si Kuya DJ at si Kuya Chard. I play the role of Greg Paterno. And he has a long history of military service, has worked overseas. And he's a tactician, yung nakikipag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin ang nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, anong gagawin. And yun. And pero sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose. Pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it. Sa action na barilan, it's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So minsan maganda minsan swak yung dynamics. Minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Veneracion. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot. So magagamit niyo ba yung dito?
Lahat ng skills.
Exciting.
Very excited. Sa trailer pa lang, di ba? That's a good teaser pa lang.
Din siya dito.
Alright, next we'll have Richard.
Yes, ako dito si Jose Bonifacio, discharged ex-Navy SEAL. Mission-based yung objective lagi ni JB dito. Isa sa mga main objectives niya ay makabalik sa military. And I also come from a family of military men. So, exciting.
Dugong Igorot, Makatao, at Discharged Scout Ranger. Yun na muna.
Short but sweet, oo. Pero tama nga yun, para talagang we're left wanting for more, di ba? So January na po yan, mga kapamilya. At ngayon, ito na, itatanong na rin natin yung mga iba pang mga...
Will be perfect for the role. Galing. Anyone else want to answer that one? Specific workouts?
Aside from like martial arts and tactical training, which actually kailangan talaga namin yun for the characters. I think a lot of cardio, strength training, but during our off days, more than anything we play basketball. Kasi it also builds camaraderie within the group, aside from the staff and the crew, lahat kami nag-basketball. So it builds a different rapport for the whole group, aside from just individual conditioning.
Miss Des, bakit hindi po natin i-livestream yun? Nagba-basketball po pala sila. Ang gagwapo naman ng mga nagba-basketball. Diba? Oo. Bakit gusto ko panoorin yun?
Footage yan, snippets lang.
Oo. As a fan, gusto ko panoorin. Ay, meron po. Pag day off. Oo. So, hindi part ng work. Oo. Now, speaking of basketball, Daniel Padilla, naka 7 3-points sa Star Magic All-Star Game. So, also, nagba-basketball na kayo. What's your go-to workout, DJ?
Yeah, I played a lot of golf para
Para
Hindi.
Oo.
Ay, hindi alam ng
mental
tao.
focus. Hindi. Ganun din. Yan, Muay Thai and basketball. Yeah.
Muay
That's
Thai
it.
and basketball. Okay, thank you. May gusto pa po bang mag-add? Maris, parang may gusto kang i-add?
Aside from muscle building, I needed to gain more para ma-keep up sa mga gagawin.
Oh, sarap naman ng ganung problem. Kailangan mo mag-gain. Oh.
So, kumain lang ako.
Ay, ang saya.
Order lang ako ng order sa mga lock-in namin.
O, diba? Ang tanong ko, go to workout, hihilitan tayo ng kumain po ako.
Part of training yan eh.
Yes.
Protein, yeah.
Pero di ako nag-extra effort. So, yun yung
Sana all. Yes, but you look terrific. Kita naman namin yung pinaghirapan mo, Marie.
Thank you.
Okay, now, let's go to our next question. Ito po, I think, tanong ng lahat. And this is for Derek Lester and Miss Des. After seeing that trailer, na by the way, yun ang world premiere. First time din po mapanood ng cast yun. So, sabay-sabay natin napanood yun for the first time. So, ito po ang tanong. This is from Chad Rosete of Manila Feed. Sa bigat po ng casting plus bonggang location, gaano kalaki ang production at budget ng series na ito? And share with us your experience. Direct, this is for you. Directing Daniel, Richard, and Maris. Gaano kahirap for you? Labi naman yung gaano kahirap. Pero muna tayo sa budget. Yes, gaano po kalaki?
We have enough, but di ba laki nung show? But with the help of everyone here, lahat sila talaga cooperative, team players. Diba? Hindi kami nahihirapan. So, maximize namin yung taping hours namin. Nagagawa namin yung dapat namin gawin because everybody is cooperative. Malaking bagay yun. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Professional. Siyempre, hindi naman natin masasagot yung actual figure. But Ms. Des, would you say, siyempre, you're the business unit head of Star Creatives. Would you say this is one of the series na may one of the biggest budgets po sa ating history? Kasi nakita natin yung trailer, grabe. Opo.
Tama lang, pero meron kaming way to do things. Kaya ganyan siya kalaki, pero okay naman yung budget.
Oh, wow.
So yung answer nila, okay lang yung budget.
Yes.
Sometimes there's times na kailangan mag-save din.
Yes.
Save on expenses. Alam natin yan.
Tinalinuhan po ng Star Creatives to. Kita nyo, di ba? Ang laki ng budget, pero tinalinuhan natin yan. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes,
Yeah.
Ako po, sa tagal ko na sa showbiz, ito yung pinakamalaking nagawa ko na project. Hindi talaga. Kasi, I mean, the locations, we shot in Nido, Italy, and grabe yung scenes and boats and yung mga sabugan and all the effects. Sobrang laking, aside from the cast. So, sa akin personally, this is the biggest series na I've made.
We felt it nga po dun sa trailer. May payate pa bigla, mga ganun. Grabe talaga. Okay, Derek Lester, would you like to add to that?
When it comes to budget, I may say we are very fortunate with the support of ABS-CBN. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki, but it's enough na pinagkakasya. But the biggest part of it is we have the support of all the cast and the crew that we are very efficient. I think that's the key there. It's very efficient, meaning when the call time is 8 a.m. At 9, we are grinding already, and then sasagad kami until 9. We are very, very efficient with the help of and the cooperation of the crew. We wrap after 12 hours. We go home. We are in our hotel rooms after in 30 minutes time. That's something very different. And then dahil yan sa professionalism ng buong crew at buong cast at lahat ng producers. And then one thing that is different, if you ask me kung gaano kahirap, actually, all of these guys made my job very easy because they're really the best in what they do.
Well said, Derek Lester. Rom-com and romantic drama. What was the most challenging and most rewarding part? And this is from Natalie Tomada ng Philippine Star.
Nakapag-warm up naman na kami dati ni Derek Lester sa Laguna Sangre. Di ba, nakasubok na ng konting action doon. And yeah, siyempre, it's very different. Pero iba rin to. Ito kasing action talagang simula yung araw mo, adrenaline rush na yun hanggang gabi. So, pagkadating mo sa hotel mo, very fulfilling din. Diba? Kasi may mga stunts din na hindi madadali. Pero pag nagawa namin yun, it's very fulfilling. So yeah, it's very different. Siyempre, kahit pa paano, it's still very new for me. Pero, saya. Anong matagal-tagal ko rin gagawin ito.
That's pretty good answer kasi ngayon nakikita din yung versatility. And I remember working with Daniel in Lamang Sangre. But this one, Incognito, is a different level. So, good job.
Thank you very much. And now let's go to our next question for Richard Gutierrez. Hi, Richard. Okay, this is about Kapamilya. Yung previous project mo na The Iron Heart was a huge success. Palakpakan po natin, yes? So the question is, may pressure ka bang nararamdaman na dapat matapatan o mahigitan pa ang naging tagumpay ng The Iron Heart?
There's always pressure. And if you want to succeed in this industry, you have to shine with that pressure, diba? Pressure is always part of it. But there's a saying na you're only as good as your last project. But this time around, I'm very thankful that I'm surrounded by a great group of artists, great group of creatives. And I think we're going to push the boundaries again with this one. We're going to elevate the action once again with this one. And this time around, ensemble kami. You know, hindi lang ako yung may pressure. Medyo napapasa ko sa kanila yung pressure. Diba? So, nadi-dissipate yung pressure, which is actually a better feeling. We're working as a team and, you know, the pressure is as a team. But we enjoy that pressure and, you know, we have no choice but to shine with that pressure.
Speaking of pressure, Richard, this one goes out to Daniel. Daniel Padilla. As action stars, kumusta ang pressure that you're fully embracing action? And that is from Natalie Tomado from Philippine Star.
Hindi, wala naman silang binibigay na pressure sa akin. So, wala rin naman akong nararamdaman na kaba o dahil ito alam I'm just doing my best, you know. So, anong kalabasan na, I think that's it, you know. Kung ano man, basta I'm doing my best and I'm proud sa mga nagagawa namin lahat as a group. Sa trailer pa lang, I'm excited. Parang excited na ako pakita rin sa airpod ko to. Parang punish siya sa akin.
I like that answer. You know, it's a good answer because, like, you know, in something like this, you gotta focus on yourself. You don't worry about anyone else. So focus on yourself. You are the one and only Daniel Padilla, right?
Tsaka, iba-iba naman ang timpla namin, ano. I mean, magaling si Tito Robby, mahusay, syempre, di ba? Ang tatay ko nandun din, ang mga tito ko, pero iba-iba rin kami ng timpla. Tingnan natin kung ano naman ang may offer ko. So, yun lang.
Awesome. Good job.
Such a humble answer, di ba? Tsaka ang nakuha ko dun sa sagot niya, imbes na pressure, may pride. Yung proud siyang, excited siyang ipakita na sa tatay niya, pero imbes na napapressure siya, parang excited siya na ipakita. So that's always good news at excited na rin tayong lahat mapanood at sumisigaw sila, we love you DJ. Yes, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito ngayon. At yun naman, pupunta naman tayo sa isang nabuong love team.
Yes,
mula
love
rin
team.
sa isang Netflix sa Can't Buy Me Love. Yes. Kay, congrats din sa success as Bettina. But of course, ang love team na I'm referring to ay ang Snow Ring. Yes, Anthony Jennings and Marissa Cal, you are now together again sa isang project. So, can you tell us about your feelings nung natanggap niyo yung news na magiging part kayo together ulit sa isang project, you know, coming from the success of Can't Buy Me Love?
Well, noong una, parang binasa muna namin yung script, tapos nung nakita ko na parang, okay, medyo may glimpse pa rin ng yung pagka-Snorri. Hindi naman sobra, pero andun pa rin yung fun. So parang sabi ko makaka-work ko ulit si Maris and alam ko naman na masarap katabaho si Maris. Yung mga eksena namin talagang pumapatong-patong kasi dami namin naiisip talaga na pwede kong bato tong lines na to, tapos sabayan mo ng ganito, yung mga gano'n. So parang laging nagbibigayan kami palagi sa eksena. Happy ako maka-work ulit si Maris.
Ako, super happy ako na maka-work ulit si Anthony. And, nung nalaman namin na action yung gagawin namin, as in sobrang excited talaga kami. Well, ako, may pressure kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakasabak na action talaga. Ever. Siguro yung action lang na nagawa ko na dapa, ganyan. Pero, mga ganon. Pero dito talaga may intense training. And then, happy kami kasi yung mga scenes na nagawa namin so far, funny. Nakakaaliw ulit. Kami na naman magbibigay ng happiness. And yeah, excited na makasama ko ito. Yeah.
Nakita nga rin namin sa trailer, may konting kilig parts sa dun.
Yes. Sweet.
Mga gano'n. Oo, may teaser lang. Ano pa kaya yung mangyayari, di ba? But congratulations on this project. Yes, okay. Now, let's go to our last na nagpa-accept sa inyo or to make you accepted. And also, medyo connected na rin doon, idikit na natin from Jimpy Anarcon of the Rewind channel. Out of all the projects that you've done in the past, what makes Incognito different? So yun. So bakit nyo tinanggap and what makes this different from other projects? Who would like to answer first? Mr. Baron Geisler? Yes.
Yeah, for me, it's very new to me to really open my heart sa cast, sa crew. Everybody na mula sa writer, director, and then because of this show, mas maiyak ba? Mas nakakuha ko. Yung mga kasama ko, hinihilan nila ako pataas paakyat. And they're really, like kay Direct Lester, the entire team ng Star Creatives, nung miniting nila over this show, they said, Baron, we just want to help you straighten out your life, and we're here to support you. Tapos, bonus pa yung nagtutulungan kami, may relationship talaga kami sa isa't isa. Like nung I flew to Japan to shoot a movie, message sa akin si DJ na, oh pare, ilipad ka, huwag ka magkalat dyan ha. That really meant a lot to me, di ba? So nakita ko na sobrang laki rin ng changes ni DJ, mature na rin siya. And then si Kuya Ian naman, is my mentor, big brother, na kapag may mga questions ako about life, napaka-deep ni Kuya Ian. Kasi sa age, diba, wisdom eh. Punong-puno na wisdom. Space bro, pareho tayong, dito, medyo may edad. Tapos, yun lang. I just want to continue doing my best, giving my all, to be a dependable actor, and to just open my heart sa hindi lang sa show na to kasi nadadala ko yung good attitude, manners, behavior sa iba pang mga nakakasama kong production. So I really am grateful sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, Direct Lester, everyone. I love you guys, sa buong cast. I love you guys.
Hold on. Parang iyak na eh.
Oo nga, ibang-iba talaga. Yes, ibang-iba yung project na to. That's what makes it different for Mr. Baron Geisler. Yung love talaga, even beyond work, di ba? Andun yung care and andun yung support.
Basketball nga, di ba? We play basketball nga between shoots.
Gusto ko doon
may accountability. May accountability kami sa isa't isa. That's what I like.
Thank you, Baron. Appreciate it. I'm sure everyone will, remember those words coming from the heart.
Who would like to answer next? kung bakit niyo po tinanggap ang project na to and what makes it different from your past projects. Maurice?
Well, I think naman all of us, we all feel so lucky to be part of this show. Kasi nung nalaman namin, meeting kami, nung nalaman namin na maging part na kami, it's super exciting kasi this production, even nung pagkasabi ni Derek Lester, they all want to reach something for action here sa Philippines. And sobrang happy kami, naging part kami nito kasi gusto talaga nila mag-break ng boundaries, lahat. Marami silang gustong i-achieve. So yeah, daming eksena. First time namin magawa, super ganda ng pagkagawa ng mga stunts, ng actions, ng scenes, ng costumes, everything, mga guns, super ganda ng lahat. And ang ganda nilang story kasi somehow nagme-mirror siya of what's really happening in the country and all over the world. Maraming mga issues na i-resolve, maraming mga may ilahad sa mga manonood. So, yung mga nangyayari in real life. Yung mga sad na nangyayari. So yeah, parang it's action-packed but it's also full of heart, the show.
Yes. Tsaka parang may social relevance akong nakuha dun sa answer niya. And ang ganda na, may goal pala, no, to elevate the quality of action dramas here in the Philippines. And trailer pa lang, kitang-kita na natin yon, andun na talaga. Yes. So, supportahan po natin January po yan, mga kapamilya. Okay, who else would like to answer po?
Maybe si Kyla. She's not sitting there.
Yes. Yeah, well, for me personally, it's my first time doing something of the action genre, and it's also something that I've always wanted to do. So when I heard about it, and when I heard that I was going to be a part of it, I was really very excited, and at the same time nervous. And syempre, I still feel quite nervous because it hasn't aired yet, and syempre, we all wanted to be successful, and we all wanted to do well because we've put so much of ourselves into the show, and we have a lot of faith because we know what we've put into it, and we're also very excited for everybody to see it. So yeah, personally for me, it was a lot. It was such an exciting project to take on, and finally, I'm doing something that I really wanted to do for a long time, and sobrang saya ko because. Sobrang saya ng tapings namin, honestly, because we're all together. We all have so much fun with each other, not just us as a cast, but even with the crew. So it's such a joy to go to taping every day, to see each other every lock and cycle, and to spend time with each other. So it's really, though it can be physically exhausting at times, but yeah, it makes it so much more fun and such a joy to wake up every day and see each other kasi ang ganda ng friendship na nabuo namin as a cast. And I'm so excited for people to see that and for it to reflect on screen as well.
Galing. First time din pala niya at matagal niyang hinintay yung ganitong project. So like Maurice, it's your first time also, Kai, ng action. Ikaw, Anthony.
Ako first, nag-Ironheart na pala ako, pero hindi masyadong maraming action sa Ironheart kasi yung time na yun. Pero ito yung first project na parang, nga sabi ni Tito, yung pinakamalaking project na napuntahan niya. Sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya. So parang ako na bago pa lang ito na Sorry. Tapos parang, sobrang excited na din kasi ako kasi simula ng training pa lang ng Muay Thai. Nakikita ko na agad yung kalalabasan. Parang nakikita mo na yung mangyayari agad sa show. So parang, ayun, as nalaman ko pa yung mga cast na kasama ko, sila Tito E, sila Richard Tulet, mga barakong action stars talaga. So parang, paano ako sasabay sa mga pangala ko ng training, papalaki ako ng katawan.
Paano yung preparation?
Papa-ups ako.
Papa-ups ka na?
Papa-ups ako. Next year.
Wait, next year, 1 month na lang yun, ha?
Pagtapos na yung show. Pero yun nga, sobrang different ng project na sobrang kakaiba talaga. Excited lang ako na makapunta pa sa mga ibang lugar, gano'n siya. And excited pa ako sa mga training kasi kahit ngayon naman ongoing pa rin yung mga trainings namin. So parang everyday learning pa rin siya para sa amin. And excited lang ako na lumabas na yung show. And sana ma-enjoy yung show. kita-kita excited.
Uy, so tutuin ko lang yun kasi sabi mo nga excited kang makapunta pa sa iba-ibang places, ganun. Saan ka pinaka nag-enjoy so far? Dun sa mga napuntahan mo na?
Actually, Palawan. First time ko kasi pumunta ng Palawan. So parang yung Italy rin naman. Pero syempre, yung Palawan, nakita ko si Kyla maging blue dun. Maging blue. So sobrang pagod niya kasi mainit yung time na yun.
Parang wait lang ka mo naging blue si Kai? Parang may kwento behind this.
Muntik na siyang Pero sa, di ba? Nakita ko yung pagod, yung exhaust ng lahat. Basang-basa na yung mga damit namin. Ang babaw na nga namin pagko. So yan, ang saya nung sobrang fun ng show. So yun, pati yung boat ride pala namin papunta sa location. Yun yung pinaka para sa
Kwento mo lang lahat sabi ni DJ,
Kwento ko na lahat. Ayun lang po, thank you.
So dahil po dyan may separate interview po tayo kay Anthony Jennings after this. Opo, wag po kayong aalis.
Baka sa season 2, baka malaki na yung katawan mo.
Iaabangan namin yung pa-abs ni Anthony Jennings. And now let's go to Papa E. Na kanina parang hindi na lang pinupuli mo ba siya or parang Jape, hindi natin alam. So Papa E, kayo po.
Ako naman, some of you would know I've been doing action movies since the 90s. Sige na, Anthony! I've done a lot of action movies before and I've worked with Direk Lester. I believe in his vision. And kung hindi nyo na itatanong si Direk Lester is a world champion sa Wushu. So he's really into martial arts and he knows his stuff. And that's why he has a pool of stuntmen also who are well trained. So ibang level talaga. And I've worked with them, Direk Lester and Chard also sa last show, diba? Sa Ironheart. And then it's always challenging to kasi gusto ni Direk Lester lagi i-elevate yung kayang gawin. And I believe in his vision kasi ultimately si Direk Lester gusto niya hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas pero gusto niya ipakita sa foreign market na yung mga Pilipino kaya namin sumabay. Gusto namin gumawa ng ganito quality and he wants to open doors for all of us. Kasi nga dito sa Philippines napakaraming magagaling na writers, directors, actors, and sanay tayo sa industriya kasi mahilig tayo sa pelikula at sa TV. And yun lang, laki lang nagiging problema naman yung resources natin. So hopefully, pag sinuwerte, it might open doors and we'll have more resources because ako din, I believe in the Filipino talent talaga. So.
Yes!
Talagang yun yung hinahangad din natin lahat Bukod dun sa pagpapasaya ng ating mga kapamilya, yung mayroon pang higher purpose, di ba? Itong mga ginagawa natin. And that is to elevate Filipino talent, to showcase ang ating kakayahan sa buong mundo. And we hope to do this through Incognito na again sa January na po natin mapapanood. Maraming salamat po, Sir Ian.
Palapakan natin yung cast and the great hits.
Yes. And now, let's hear from, you mentioned resources. Sir Richard Gutierrez, alam ko nung The Ironheart din, nakuwento nyo rin sa MediaCon na talagang tumutulong din kayo behind the scenes, sa production side of things also, sa Cebu, gano'n. So, kayo po, ano pong masasabi nyo dito sa project, Sir Richard, and what makes this different, and also yung kung ano po yung gusto nyo i-share sa lahat po about Incognito?
Dami ng tanong, hindi ko alam kung nagsisige.
Ano mo?
The pressure is real.
Ako sa interview, relax na ako, dami follow-up Well, nung binubuo pa lang yung Incognito, exciting na agad siya kasi from the very beginning, we wanted na ensemble cast, group of artists. And we are blessed na nabuo namin itong grupong ito. Sa Ironheart pa lang, we wanted to elevate the action na. And I think we somewhat succeeded with Ironheart. But this time around, we want to elevate even more. Kaya pa namin i-push it. With the right timing, right budget and location and creativity. kaya pa. So, nabigyan kami ng opportunity dito sa Incognito. And I think isa rin sa mga magagandang aspects itong Incognito is we will be showcasing different locations. Ang gaganda ng mga locations namin dito talagang kaabang-abang. Both the Philippines and internationally, makikita nyo yung sa show. And yun, it's been a dream project of mine, actually, this kind of concept. Matagal ko nang ni-research yung ganitong klaseng concept about private military contractors. I've been a fan of this concept. I've been reading books through the years about this, and finally, isa ko ito sa mga consider kong dream projects ko. I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time. It's here. Gusto kong pasalamatan ng ABS-CBN for giving us the opportunity to create a project like this na you know, sana ma-enjoy ng mga audience natin worldwide. Dahil talagang markang Pilipino ito, and talagang pinaghandaan at pinaganda para sa audience natin. And it's a new flavor of action. May enjoy niyo ito.
Well said. Veteran, right? And he's done so many movies. Actually, random question. How many movies or TV series have you actually done?
Siguro kalahati nung nagawa ni Kuya.
Bunot po si Mr. Ian Renalacion today. Birthday. Yes. Okay, and last but not least, of course, Mr. Daniel Padilla. Would you like to hear the question again? Yung, what made you accept the show and what makes it different?
Yan, nung unang binanggit sa akin yung kwento nila direct, sobra akong nagkaroon ng interest. Yun nga, yung private military contractor. Kasi ayos yun, ha? Tapos nabanggit pa kung sino mga kasama. Ha? Tapos kinumbinsi ako na dito Tinawagan niya ako. Tapos si Chart din. Sabi ko, na-excite din ako. Parang ibang timpla na rin, ano? At ngayon nga, yung binabanggit nila na elevation, parang gusto kong maging parte nun. Di ba? Iba rin yung mga apoy sa mata ni Direk Lester nung binabanggit sa akin yung kwento eh. At yung pupuntahan nung peak nung show namin. So sabi ko, yeah, gusto kong maging parte nito. You know? So, thanks guys. Happy to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel.
Actually, after Ironheart.
Yes, Richard.
Nagkukwento lang after Ironheart. Nagkasama kami ni Daniel sa isang gathering party. Tapos, kinausap ko siya na sana gumawa tayo ng action. Sabi ko, bagay sa'yo mag-action. Bagay sa'yo mag-action, dapat gumawa tayo ng action. And then after a few months, boom, ito na nangyari na Incognito. So, parang it's meant to happen.
Na-manifest pala ni Mr. Richard Gutierrez. Sabay-sabay tayo. Response, salamat Richard Gutierrez. Yun pala yun. Para nangyari sa party.
Amazing. Thank you for your questions and mostly the answers. We would like to acknowledge one of the writers who is here with us today, J.D. Cruz.
Over there, hi!
The writing. It's a lot of writing to do, right? It's a hard job, it's a tough job. So, palakpakan natin yung mga creatives and mga writers natin.
Thank you very much. And thank you to our cast, our director, our business unit head, for answering all of our questions, the questions from the media. That was a solid Q&A. And right now, I believe we have something to announce as well. Yes.
Yes, and there you have it. Way to wrap up an extraordinary night here at the media launch of Incognito. Kailan nalabas? Alam na saan? Ano pa yung mga ibang stations? Networks? Alam na ng lahat.
Yes, mamaya ulitin natin yun for everyone watching via live stream na hindi nakikinig yung crowd. Don't worry, we'll repeat that. But right now, we'd also like to thank everyone behind today's event. First of all, our director, Direk John Mall. Thank you very much.
Hey, John. Thank you.
Molly, yes, our head of promo and advertising, Sir Miko Del Rosario. Our admin head.
salamat. Especially mga fans natin.
Yes! Thank you for celebrating with us tonight. And of course, sa lahat po ng ating mga kapamilya watching online.
We would also like to thank Jackie's Catering and Hi-Fi Blitz Audio and Lighting Designs.
There you go.
So, ang tanong, excited ba kayo sa Incognito? There you have it.
Okay, as promised, ulitin lang po natin kung saan ba nila mapapanood ang Incognito. So again, January 17 po on Netflix. And then the day after that, January 18 sa iWatch TFC. And then sa Monday naman, January 20, yan na. Saan po ba mapapanood?
Sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, Jeepney TV, TV5, and A to Z on January 20, 2025.
There you go. Okay, now we can't wait for you to see what's next. Stay tuned and have a great rest of the night. But before we go, we have some flowers for our strong and powerful women on stage.
Yes, syempre.
Palakpakan po natin sila. Yes. Oh, ang sweet. Maraming salamat po. And now we'd like to request everyone to please stand for our photo op. And we will do this by group. Okay, so Direct Lester, Miss Des, dito lang po kayo sa stage. Yes? Okay, we have some parting shots for everyone. Yes po, everybody smile.
Bring out the cameras.
Thank you very much to everyone watching online. Okay, and before we take photos po pala, we'd like to ask Fine here.
Hello. Ayun. Again, maraming salamat po sa oras ng lahat sa pagdalo ngayong gabi. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo at sana po abangan ninyo ang aming munting pelikula, ang Incognito. At mag-ingat po. God bless you guys. Love you all. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta and our friends from the press.
Sa friends from the press, yung mga fans na nandito at sa lahat na nanonood sa mga bahay niyo. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Sana abangan ninyo yung Incognito. Marami pa kayong magagandang take na mapapanood. So maraming salamat and sana po abangan ninyo.
Maganda mga kaibigan natin vloggers and sa press and sa lahat po na nanonood at sa Kapamilya Channel. God bless you all and thank you very much. See you again very soon.
It's more to come. A lot of exciting things to come. Sana tulungan niyo kami ipaalam sa buong mundo about this series.
Thank you, Ms. Des.
Iniimbitahan ini-invite po namin kayong panoorin ng another offering from Star Creatives. Dadalhin namin kayo to another level of action land. Yeah! Yes! Thank you!
Yes, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa press, sa media, sa lahat ng vloggers na nandito ngayon. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood online, maraming salamat sa inyo mga pamilya all over the world. Abangan po ninyo Incognito, January 17 on Netflix at January 20 dito sa local channels natin. See you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Mula po sa aming lahat, sa cast, sa crew, maraming salamat. Abangan niyo po ikot dito. Good night guys, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Alright, now let's pose for some beautiful photos. Our cast, our director, our business unit
And don't forget to use the hashtag when you post the hashtag Incognito. Alright, so on all the social media platforms.
Targeted.
On all of your social